It's time to change your path, brother. Huh? What's Daddy's is mine anyways, even if he needs it or not. It's Doggo's rules. Wow, that was more impressive than Rihanna's Super Bowl performance, to be honest. Who made the mess first doesn't matter. If you join in, you're involved, Doggo.
Seven months old. I filmed one of these videos a couple months back. I just wanted to show how much bigger he's got. He's about 85 pounds now. At 7 months, he's a beast.
That's your leg.
Everyone says Malinois are intelligent, but my dog be like...
Vamos pa' la...
Jack, no, don't let go. Jack.
Oh God. Can't get up. Life alert, I'm falling and I can't get up.
What is he doing? Oh, he's trying to get on your lap. He's trying to sit on my tiny lap. Let him. Look at this. He's falling.
This pup is learning about numbers by counting these cones. How studious. You cleaned, Ruben? Great. Now it's time to redecorate, isn't it?
Oh, Galua.
Oh well, I guess we're all agreed that the best bellboy of the year goes to this good boy.
Yeah.
Could be our behavioral sciences, which is set to expand and will establish the foundation of the national criminal database. When I in the future, Robert Citizen will set the crime scenes for a technological perspective, allowing agents to predict criminal.
Of course you can, my dear pupil. Remember what we practiced.
Let me take my boots off.
The dog's tried all 99 tactics to win over its crush, but still hasn't succeeded.
Go home. Okay. Go home.
Good boy. Come on, Copper. Good boy. Good boy, Copper. Come on.
No, I don't think he's going anywhere. He's just...
Good boy, Randy.
Good boy. Come on, Copper. You can do it, buddy. Keep it up, bub.
Good boy, Copper. Come on. Good boy.
Yeah.
That's a tough game, folks. What happened? What happened? Hey, Pops, you're supposed to help. Now that you crazy girl. Free Pops against a human. But this is not the best spot for that. You silly boy. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Are you gonna ever stop crawling in the grass? No?
Mia, what are you doing, baby?
Living his best life.
Being the doggo bestie, she also couldn't predict his next move.
Huh?
Eso es enemigo, Nene.
You decided it's a good idea to sit on me?
You so scary.
When his level of charm hits you so bad. Guess who is more dramatic than your ex? This pup.
I'm walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
Är det roligt? Oh. Nej men gud.
Förlåt.
Where are you going?
Hickory dock, the mouse went.
You can spin it.
Now we know that it's not just humans who enjoy playing with spinners.
Oh, yeah. Dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who...
Behold, the ultimate stick of legends. The only channel my dog approves of is Animals 24/7. Nothing beats a good spritz of moisture, except maybe belly rubs, right, puppy? If ADHD is a dog, his Zoomy levels will be over 9,000. These pups have officially won the internet, right? We hope you had fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the laughter. See you later. To play the knock knock game. There is no such tool as this spinning Shiba compass. He's pointing right at my heart. When your dog's too impatient for his turn on the sprinkler,
Bien sabroso. Sí, se oyen las cofunas a lo lejos. Muy
Are you done?
Not sure if he's sleeping well, but he would definitely have a backache after this nap. A typical example of siblings, while they can help but choose to tease.
want a hug? Aw, you're such a good boy. What are you doing?
When your son is bigger and taller than you know that you're old.
Doing graveyard.
The sofa today is softer than usual, he might be thinking. Can't explain why Mum's food is much better than his food, even when he's full.
Did you eat my burger? Lambo, did you eat my burger? Oh, this little one. Oh my god!
So apparently it is time to get up and get moving. Still on the first cup of coffee.
Nope. It's like a culinary rule for dogs. No sauce, no chip. Strong paws? Check. Keen nose? Check. Let's dig a perfect lawn with your furry gardener. Beep. 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 Is this how you order pizza, human? This stubborn dog be like, nice try, human, but this cloth is my new favorite toy.
It's just like the part is go on a minute.
In a hide-and-seek tournament, he will get a booby prize. Preventing the next catastrophic flood. Your hero awaits applause, fellow citizen. The moment my dog realized she was the bride. Congratulations!
Is it coming? It's coming to say hi. Oh, look at this! So silly!
Fun is when you can do whatever you want to do with your best friends.
Can you see the monkey?
Must be cute enough to be kissed by the gorilla. Don't worry, Mum. The good boy will be in charge. Luckily, her first best friend has fur. Growing up to know you have an orange cat brother might be the coolest thing ever.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Feel it.
You know the kiddos are raised right. Daily reminder to check in on your friends to make sure they're okay. first time meeting a fluffy dollar-like friend will be like this.
Você comeu? Eu tô vendo que você tá dando pra Cuca, você entendeu? Você veio aqui, falou que queria pão. Não adianta.
Just a horse and a little girl? No, they're each other's secret treasures. Let the doggo teach you some tricks on how to stop toddlers from crying so effectively. That shy furball doesn't know what to do when it comes to affection and sweet love. When